everybody, welcome to my channel. Today, well, we're getting ready for Halloween. My family finally went through COVID. We all had it. I had it the worst. I was nearly hospitalized, so the schedule for the rest of the year has been screwed up and there's going to be a few videos missing. Channel update, that's it. Okay, quick, this video. Usually we do food, usually we do crafts. We're going to focus on my artwork because I have to catch up on my personal work, and I figured this would give me a chance to show you guys at home what I've been doing. Well, you guys know I make gingerbread houses, and we have decided that this year we're going to do something a little different instead of a house. You'll see that coming up. But little houses, I am currently working on the Bates Mansion from Psycho, and I'm making it nice and spooky with some little ghosties on the front porch. Let's see if I can get this done. Come on. There you go. Okay, so we got some little ghosties and pumpkins on the front porch, and we got Mother in the window over here. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to finish this up, adding paint and varnish, and we'll see how it turns out. So I goofed, but it's not an unfixable goof. Right here, I forgot to put in my windows before I baked it. Oops. So to hide this, I'm going to make one of my trees, and we'll put lots of different leaves, UV, whatever, reactive here. So this is me building the tree. And as I mentioned, the UV reaction, that comes up a lot in this creation. I actually have a little flashlight that I use to figure out what leaves go where and how I want things to look. I use glow-in-the-dark clays and paints to make windows and things like that. I'm going to make sure to put some slides of the UV reaction in so you can see that. At this point, it's just really time to make our landscaping, making sure we put little plants out. It's fall, so we want to have everything looking like it's, you know, dying. Add some rocks. And now it's time to make our leaves. I couldn't find my leaf cutter, so I had to improvise. Either way, it would have taken forever considering the amount of leaves I had to make for this. Quite a lot of them. So now it's time to just put the foliage out. I just wanted to make sure that I mixed in enough so that when I put the little UV flashlight on, it could play with the lights. It could play with the leaves. We wanted the light to play with the leaves. That's how I wanted to say it. So now we have our pumpkins out of focus as I put the stem into it, but once it hits the roof, it will be back in focus as I add a pumpkin pile. See? Oh, pumpkins on the front porch. Now it's time to make ghosties and put their eyeballs in. Oop, there's one, isn't he cute? There's the other, ready to go in the front yard. There's one down there. We'll put one on the porch too. And we are done. So now I'm going to add paint to give more character to the house. I'm adding glow-in-the-dark paint to the windows just to make them take on eerie glow. And I'm adding a little black just to make the rest of the colors from the leaves and pumpkins pop. I'm also going to add some shine to the wall and to the sidewalk to give it more character. Okay, so here we are. I have thrown some paint on it just to bring out some more of its character, made the roof a little darker, added some highlights to the building just to give it a little bit more of a shimmer and give some more texture to the sidewalk. This is going to dry overnight, and then tomorrow we will start doing the varnish. It's going to be a couple of coats, and then this will be done. If we do it right, we might even get it to the store before Halloween to join its mates. This is how it looks when I turn the UV flashlight on it. All of the UV reactive clay pops, and where I added glow-in-the-dark paint, it just adds an eerie glow from the windows. I wanted to make sure you could see Mother well in her bedroom. I think I'm glazing my house.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm doing a real quick first coat of glaze. I'm using Sculpey Satin Finish. Completely glazed with the first coat. Gonna let it dry a little bit. Do one more coat. And then we'll be ready for me to actually show it off. Get some nice close-ups on things. So we had a tragedy this morning, and the house is done. I'm very proud of how beautiful it looks. But our tragedy this morning, before I could get this wrapped up and over to the store, or even shoot the last part of this video, the cats were angry at me. I'm assuming this is the work of Mr. Lucky. And I have lost a huge section of the ornamentation of the roof. So I've grabbed my E6000 glue and some toothpicks, and I'm gonna see if I can puzzle piece the ornamentation back together. I don't have all of the pieces. Some of them have been scattered to the winds, so to speak. So I'm just going to have to puzzle it back together with what I have. On the bright side, it's a haunted house, so maybe it'll just give it more character. I don't know. Okay, I've done my best now to repair the damage done. And as you can see, it's not horrible, but I am completely missing a piece, and so it is just going to have this little funky character thing happening back here. But I don't think it takes away at all from the aesthetic of the house itself. We have finished the house. There it is. Ta-da! And here am I. Still healing, but better. So, besides the cats torturing it, I think that this is a success. I'm going to be putting it in the box and bringing it over to the store so that it can join its other two, which I'll put a picture here. Pretty cute. I think they're adorable. So, yes, this will be joining the others. That's it for this episode, and my word to the wise to you as you go on your Halloween adventure is you're never too old to trick or treat. Be safe. Happy Halloween. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw and would like to see more content like this, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have uploaded again. And from all of us at the channel, take care, be safe, and... Yes, this is Mom's favorite witch's hat. I think I should return it to her for before Halloween.